Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question 1 divided by a minus 1 divided by b which is equal to 1 divided by a minus b. And we have to find the value of a cube plus b cube. So from this given equation 1 divided by a minus 1 divided by b which is equal to 1 divided by a minus b. So here we have negative sign with two fractions. So we will take LCM of denominator. So it will become AB. So it will become, numerator will become B and A, because A multiplied by B to make it AB. So same case here. So it will become B minus A, which is equal to 1 divided by A minus B. Now we will do here cross multiplication. So it will become a minus b and b minus a. You can write it as b minus a into a minus b. Both are same, and ab into 1 will become ab. Now we will make b minus a as a minus b. So we will take negative common. So it will become a minus b and it will become a minus b. Because negative sign is common here, so it will change its signs. So positive b will become negative b and negative a will become positive b. So it will become ab. Now a minus b and a minus b are same, so it will become a minus b whole square, which is equal to ab. Now from here a in minus b whole square with negative sign, and it will become negative ab, which is equal to 0. Now we will multiply this full equation with negative 1. Zero multiplied by negative 1, so it will become positive. Negative into negative, positive a minus b whole square, and again negative into negative, positive ab, and 0. So we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this plus ab, which is equal to 0. Now we will solve like terms, so it will become a square plus b square negative ab, which is equal to 0. But we have to find the value of a cube plus b cube. And a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab according to formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to this. So from above equation we have a square plus b square minus ab is 0. So it will become a plus b into 0. So a plus b into 0 is equal to 0. So from here we have value of a cube plus b cube is equal to 0. So this is our final answer. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.